In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Booking.com customer care. If you need help with a reservation, a payment issue, or a general booking concern, Booking.com makes it fairly simple to reach the support section through their website. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the path to find the right help options quickly and with less confusion. To begin, go to the official Booking.com website. Once the homepage loads, give yourself a moment to make sure you're on the main site and that everything is fully visible on the screen. This is the starting point for accessing customer support, and it's where you'll find the help tools connected to your bookings and account. Next, look for the Help button, which usually appears as a question mark icon. This is the main shortcut to Booking.com's support area. Depending on the device you're using, it may be near the top of the page. Go ahead and click that question mark to open the available help options. If you're on mobile, the layout may look a little different, but the same help icon should still be available somewhere in the header or menu area. After that, click on Get Help with a Booking. This is the option you'll want if your issue is related to an existing reservation or something tied to a booking you've already made. Choosing this section helps narrow the support experience so you're not digging through unrelated topics. It's especially useful if you need assistance with things like dates, cancellations, property communication, check-in details, or billing questions connected to a reservation. Once you're in that section, select the category that best matches what you need help with. Booking.com organizes support by topic, so this step is important because it directs you to the most relevant guidance or contact path. Take a second to read the category names carefully and choose the one that most closely fits your issue. Picking the right category can save time and help you get a more accurate solution faster. As a quick tip, it helps to have your booking details ready before you continue, especially if the site asks you to identify a reservation. That can make the support process smoother and reduce back and forth later on. And that's it. By going to the Booking.com website, clicking the Help icon, selecting Get Help with a Booking, and then choosing the right help category, you can reach the appropriate customer care options for your situation.